In this video, we will provide Brain Out All Levels Answer 2020. We will try to provide Brain Out All Levels updated answers. So let's begin. Brain Out level number 111. Tap the blue button 10 times, then tap the red button once. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we have pressed 9 times, it's showing 10. That's the catch. You have to press once more. Now it's 10 times. Now press the red button 1 times and you will clear the level. Brain out level number 112. Keep the balance balanced. The best way to balance the balance is to put the both thing on the ground, and balance will be empty and it will be auto balanced. Brain out level number 113. Count the number of hairs again. Okay, let's start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. He has 30 hairs in the front. Let's move him back. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So he has total 38 hairs. The catch is that you have to move his head so that you can count his back hair also. Brain out level number 114. What's the answer? It's a mathematical question. We have to solve it on pen and paper. We will write the solution in the video. Well, the answer is 14. Brain out level number 115. Today is Taike's 2-year-old birthday. Just light up candles for him. We have to light 2 candles. So just light the middle candle and rotate your phone right side and you will clear the level. Brain out level number 116. Find the mother hen again. You have to zoom out the screen and you will see the hidden mother hen. Just click on the mother hen, you will clear the level. Brain out level number 117. Help the duck drink water. Well, it's story of thirsty crow. We have to cover the sun with clouds so that it start raining, and the beaker will be filled with water and the thirsty duck can drink. Brain out level number 118. What's your body temperature now? Well, we have to just keep our thumb on the thermometer and note down the reading. It's showing 96.8. And write down whatever reading it's showing for you. 96.8 is for me. Brain out level number 119. Mix red and blue together. For this you have to shake your device so that the color get mixed up. Well, if you shake your device, the color will be mixed up but it will come out of the beaker. So just cover the tip of the beaker and then shake your device. And you will clear the level. Brain out level number 120. Help, where is my ring? Well, the girl is crying. She can't find her ring. We have to open the box so that we can feed the dog with a bone. Now feed the dog with a bone and he will give you the ring. Just tap on the ring.